Are you looking for a residential house cleaning service in Ealing, London, that pays attention to every detail? Our expert team understands the importance of interior window cleaning in Ealing, as sparkling windows can make all the difference for first impressions. We specialize in deep cleaning services, tackling tricky spots like skirting boards and doors that often collect dust and scuffs, making them easy to overlook during your busy day. Comprehensive dusting must include high and low areas in your home, such as shelves, radiators, and door tops, ensuring a thorough cleaning beyond just the surface layer. After a meticulous dusting, an extensive vacuum clean follows, focusing on edges and corners, culminating with mopping hard floors for a polished finish. Trust our residential house cleaning experts in Ealing to rejuvenate your home. Reach out to us today for a detailed cleaning that transforms your living space and enhances its appeal.